Yeah, don't freeze. Should talk to downtown Crazy Bar, and Crazy down the street from Dallas.
Yeah, McDonald's.
I noticed that exhibitor 10H is listed as a Pee-wee on this registration, this class list. PW?
I would think it would be okay.
It will fit.
But you couldn't add too much water to it.
I bet you.
Yeah, water to it. Because we had that water come in that one door.
Our class is complete.
Chunk, chunk, chunk when you hit that.
Walk your horses, please. Walk your horses, please.
Seen it on?
Not yet.
Oh, at the bar.
Jog your horses, please. Jog your horses, please. Lope your horses. Lope your horses, please. Walk your horses. Walk your horses, please. Reverse and continue to walk. Reverse and continue to walk your horses, please.
I was like, where's yours? I was like, we're going to make sure that one.
Lope your horses, please. Lope your horses,
A day or two
please.
ago, and he was here.
Yeah.
He went home to pasture.
He's going to retirement, right?
How old is he?
No, he's young. We're kidding. We have the geriatric.
No, he acts. Oh, yeah.
We know it's called the geriatric.
He's just been spoiled. Doesn't have to do too much now.
And he's
Basil,
just
when I was
totally
in-
fine with that.
Yeah.
You know?
So then what are you going to do with him? Are you going to sit or sit?
No.
They'll give you a rub.
That's the thing how little kids.
Bucks spent
Walk your horses. Walk your horses, please.
Yeah.
And it's just like, I said, when was I at the gym? He spent all that money.
So was he done when you sent him home or?
Jog your horses. Jog, please.
I'd like to have him back for a couple of weeks. Sometime, if it's the spring or whatever, see if he's ready to.
Because I'm doing it.
I think the best, I think the best thing is to just take him out on the trail ride. Just make him go. Because he'll do that.
Yeah.
It's
And that's
like
like
not wanting to, not going to run away. You're not. But we'll find that if you really stop and think.
Bring your horses in and line up facing the announcer stand, please.
Are the things that I think the horse to do. Sounds stupid, but he's not. He's not.
We'll be starting after this class is completed. We'll be setting up for trail classes, and class 25 will be our first trail class, Pee Wee Trail, and I have 4 entries listed: 300, 292, 218, and 233. If anyone knows if anyone in any of the trail classes is not going to be showing, please let one of us know, so that we won't be waiting unnecessarily long. Class 26 Junior Trail will have 3 entries: 288, 213, and 239.
Riding through the pasture and listening to pasture and it's in trail many times.
Intermediate Trail has 3 entries. Numbers 275, 243, and 287. Senior Trail has 7 entries. Placings for class 32 and 3-year-old Western Pleasure. In first place is 108.
Yes.
You think that's bad though?
Second place goes to 269. Arcade Docks.
He was like running sideways and I was like, and you're how old?
Third place goes to 229. Hollywood Starlight.